have it. I've got the Lego Star Wars Tantive 4. I'm gonna build it for you right now. Don't go anywhere. I'll be back in a second. Hey guys, it's Brent here at LucasTV Toys. May the 4th be with you. Woohoo! And in this video, I'm gonna build the biggest Lego Star Wars Tantive 4 ever made so far. And can you believe that this is actually not an Ultimate Collector Series Lego set? How did that happen? So actually in 2001, they made the first Lego Tantive 4. And actually it had 21 less pieces than this Lego set does. But it was an Ultimate Collector Series Lego set somehow. And then in 2009, they made another Tantive 4 that had about 300 less pieces than this Tantive 4. And that wasn't an Ultimate Collector Series. So isn't this. It's kind of weird how it's not. It looks like an Ultimate Collector Series. Anyways, on the top you can see it shows all the minifigures and wow, look at that! It has Bail Organa. That's a pretty cool minifigure. I like that one. Alright, so the set number is 75244 and it has 1,768 pieces. Okay, so on the back it shows the other side of the Lego Tantive 4 and on the bottom it shows some features like the cockpit and the escape pod. So I want to get straight to building this. And actually, since this Lego set is so big, I want to get my dad in to help me. And also, he hasn't built a Lego set in a long time. Normally, he helps edit the videos and stuff. So, me and Daddy are going to build this Lego set together right now. So let's do that. Here's the completed Lego Star Wars Tantive 4. So now I'm going to give you guys a close-up look of the minifigures and then the features of this awesome Lego set. Alright guys, so first we've got the regular R2-D2, same with the C-3PO, and then we've got Princess Leia. So she's got a cool blaster, and she's got a skirt that actually has printing on the back. That's pretty cool. Normally it doesn't have printing there. And she's got two faces, One, she's got a smirk. And then the second face, she's got an angry face. And look, it's Princess Leia on a bad hair day. And look, it's half a person. Oh no! I'm just kidding. There we go. And then we've got Bail Organa. I think that's a really cool Lego minifigure. He's got his cape in the back. And does he have one or two faces? Yeah, he's got two faces. So one, he's got a happy face. And the second face is an angry face. And he's wearing green and gray. So here we've got a Rebel Fleet Trooper. So he's got his gold helmet on. And he's got two faces. So here you can see his happy face. And then on the other side, you can see his mad face. And he's got the strap on both of his faces to keep his helmet on. And then here we've got my favorite minifigure out of all of these is Captain Antilles. So he's very like the Lego Rebel Fleet Trooper, just that he's got different colors and he's got a different face. So he's got the strap too to keep his helmet on. So here you can see his happy face. And then this is his face when Darth Vader is choking him. Ah! I really like this Captain Antilles minifigure. For me, it's really cool. Alright, so now let's get a close-up look at the features of this Lego set. Now I'm going to give you guys a good close-up look at this ship from the front to the back on both sides. So here are the engines of the ship. And here is the front. Before I show you guys the inside of this, I'm going to show you guys all of the laser cannons this ship has. So let's start with the top. It's got a turret that can turn like this with a stud shooter. And then we've got cannons on the left and the right of the ship that can go all the way around. And also, this ship comes with a handle that you can lift up. So let's see the bottom. You can see that this ship has another cannon right there. It can go all the way around and it can shoot down like that. I can't see this, so it's hard to control it. There we go. Alright. It's also got two missiles on the front. I forgot to show that right here. Spring-loaded missiles right there. So you've probably seen that before, so I'm not going to shoot it. So now let's see the inside of this ship. So let's open this up like that. And now you can see the pilots inside the cockpit. Just like that. So let's turn it around. So now you can see that they're looking at this computer screen right there. I really like the cockpit. Think it's really cool. Here's the other side. Same thing. So let's patch this back up. So there's more rooms in this ship. There's this area, and then these two escape pods. So let's start with this big room right here. So this is like a war room or a meeting room. And as you can see, Princess Leia and Bail Organa are chatting. So we've got a big table right here with some fancy buttons and stuff on this side. And let's turn it around. And on this side, as you can see, it's got a small table right here. So there's not too much to it. That's it. And right here we've got a missile storage area. Oh, wrong way. Open this up. You've got some extra ammo. Just like that. Now you can just put it right there. And boop. So now I see the escape pods. There's an escape pod on this side and on the other side. So I'm going to turn it around. There we go. So that both of the escape pods come out just like this. There we go. So here it is all around. And inside we've got R2-D2 and C-3PO. So let's take them out. There we go. So as you can see, there's nothing inside the escape pod. It has enough room for 2 minifigures, or 1 minifigure and R2-D2. So let's put them back in there. They need to escape on Tatooine before Darth Vader gets on the ship. Well, there you go, my latest Lego Star Wars set. If you like this Lego Star Wars set, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite part of this. Well, don't forget to subscribe to LucasTV Toys for more great, awesome Lego videos. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hey guys, here are some of my other videos, and I know you're gonna love them, so go ahead and watch them.